Hi guys, let me introduce myself first. My name is Dheveyapraba Chandran. I am studying at MISM Balik Pulau at class 2 Razzi. My college number is PB201070. My teacher's name is Umi. In this video, I will be interviewing my parents about how do they maintain a healthy lifestyle or about their balanced diet or their food intake. So let's go. I'm too emotional.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Chandran. I'm doing this video for my daughter from MISM Balik Pulau, Dheveyapraba Chandran from 2 Razzi. As I mentioned, I'm Chandran. My age is 44 now, and my weight will be 85 and my height will be 182 cm, which is 6 feet 2.
Hi everyone, I'm Anita. I'm 39 years old. I'm a teacher. My height is about 170 cm. My weight is 65 kg. Like a wounded soul, maybe I'm too emotional.
Talking about healthy lifestyle, it's a combination of your diet, everyday diet, and also I believe that eating at the right time actually contribute more on your diet as well. So what I believe is we should take our breakfast on time, lunch on time, dinner on time, and possible skip your supper. Because anything that we are eating after 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. is gonna take a lot of time to digest.
Well, the concept of a balanced diet basically is a healthy plate. Like I said, suku separuh is also a good way to practice healthy eating habits, whether cooking at home or eating outside. A balanced diet gives our body the nutrition it needs to function correctly. And a balanced diet that contains different kinds of food in certain quantities and proportions, so that the requirements for calories, proteins, minerals, vitamins and alternative nutritions. Besides that, to maintain healthy lifestyle, we need to sleep at least 8 hours per day and must do some physical activities such as brisk walking, skipping, jogging, yoga and many more as per your
Hi again. My breakfast will be very simple. Either a toasted bread with omelette, or even sometimes for the taste I'll go for roti canai, which is not healthy. I agree to that. But my standard diet will be toast bread. And for lunch, I'll go for normal Indian food, which we have a typical rasam or sambar or something like that. So lunch will be normally at home. We don't go outside, or I don't take outside food for lunch. And for dinner will be the same, leftover from the afternoon, or thosai or chapati. So I'm not saying it's extremely healthy to have a normal Indian food, because sometimes we do have mutton curry, fish and everything. So it's combination of a proper diet and also a good taste for the tongue.
Usually for breakfast, I will have a toast bread, egg sandwich, a bowl of cereal, or sometimes there is a cheat day which I will have a roti canai and nasi lemak. And of course, as a coffee lover, I'll definitely not forget to have a cup of coffee in the morning to start my day. As for lunch, I will have a home cooked meals. As I mentioned earlier, I follow suku separuh diet, or healthy plate, which consists of a small portion of rice, less than quarter, half portion of vegetables and proteins such as meat, fish, chicken, egg, also on, and also fruits. For a dinner, usually I will have a light meal like oats, salad with fruits, a cup of a Milo with a slice of a wholemeal bread, a chapati. Besides this, I do some workout or exercise 3 times a week, like yoga, skipping, jogging and abs and body toning exercise. And I also meditate to relax my mind. This is how I maintain a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Thank you.